Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili achar at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of fresh red chilies, which are the star of our dish. Also, prepare your spices: mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and a pinch of asafoetida. Don't forget about 100 milliliters of vinegar and some cooking oil. Finally, have salt and sugar on hand to achieve that perfect balance of flavors. Now let's get those chilies ready. Begin by washing them thoroughly and ensuring they are completely dry. Any moisture can spoil your achar. Next, carefully slit each chili lengthwise, but keep the stem attached. If you prefer less heat, you can remove some of the seeds at this stage. Finally, lightly salt the prepared chilies and let them rest for about 30 minutes, which helps draw out excess moisture. It's time to bring out those amazing aromas. Lightly roast your mustard seeds and fenugreek until they are fragrant, then grind them into a coarse powder. In a pan, heat some cooking oil and add the asafoetida, turmeric, and your freshly ground spices. Stir this aromatic mixture for a moment. Now, add the prepared chilies to the pan, ensuring they are well coated. Pour in the vinegar and a touch of sugar, then simmer for just a few minutes. Once your chili achar is cooked, let it cool down completely to room temperature. This is a crucial step for proper preservation. Transfer the cooled achar into clean, sterilized glass jars, making sure they are airtight. Store these jars in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor development, allow the achar to mature for at least 1 week before you start enjoying it. This homemade chili achar will add a wonderful spicy kick to your meals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.